Okay, I'm here at the Select Arc booth. I've got the owner of Select Arc, Dale Stager. Dale, how many years have you been at it in this industry?
I've been at it since 1958.
There you go. And
Longer than you've been alive.
that is true. And how did Select Arc get its start?
Well, it was just I originally started at Hobart Brothers back in '58, and then three of us left in '74 and started Trimark. And then in '86 we sold Trimark back to Hobart, and I became vice president of Hobart Filamentals. And that lasted about the time till ITW purchased Hobart. And I left in November of '95, and then in January of '96 we started Select Arc. In January we'll be 30 years old, Select Arc.
It's awesome, and it's grown into quite the family business. So
Yes,
I know that there's a few Stagers in the business. How many family members are part of Select Arc at this point?
I think right now, we probably got at least five of them.
5? And how many generations would that be?
At least three generations, yeah.
It's awesome. And most recently, you guys have been working on an expansion. Talk to us about the expansion and why you're excited and what that's going to be for.
We just put on 30,000 square feet. We're putting in a fair amount of new equipment, and it will really increase our capacity. Try to talk to the sales guys here, and they will give me thunder about delivery time, and now it's switched the other direction. So we'll put the pressure on the sales department.
There you go. Tell them to put their money where their mouth is.
That's right.
It's awesome. So for those of you that don't know, Select Arc is a bulk supplier, right? Mostly bulk of filler metals.
Yeah. Mainly tubular and stainless solid bars, but we have a full line of tubular products. So.
It's good. And since I started 2015, Select Arc has been the back cover of the GAWDA magazine.
We've been there for a long time.
Yeah, so we really appreciate that and all your support over the years. You guys have been so good to us, so I want to thank you for that.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you so much, Dale, for everything that you do for us in the industry. So.